am going to tell you, and today I'm going to discuss that what is the concentration or what is the dilution. Okay, it is concentrated solution, what is dilute solution. Now here you can see I have taken one bottle is 125 ml. Okay, and this one bottle of 500 ml. Okay, and this one measuring cylinder, the normal water. So I am going to take some turmeric. Hmm. So like I will just I'll not weight it. I will just take little bit spoon. You can see here only little bit. Okay. So same amount I will take here also 500 ml. This is in the 500 ml I am taking. Almost same amount of turmeric. Here also I will be taking almost same amount of turmeric. You can see here almost same I am taking. Okay, done. Now this is 125 ml, this is 500 ml bottle. So let me take some water. It's a 40 ml. So I am going to take some 40 ml. So here I am going to add some 40 ml water. And here I will take almost 125 ml water.
Why didn't you take 500 ml for this?
I will take later, not now.
Okay.
So now this is 125 ml because I need more water, no, that's why I am not taking. Okay, so this is same amount I have taken. Let's assume I have taken
Same
some
amount of
turmeric I have taken. Let's assume I have taken 2 grams different water. So this is 125 ml water and this one is 40 ml of water. So now can you tell me which one is dilute solution, which is the concentrated solution?
This is dilute, this is concentration.
Okay. So how you find that this is concentrated solution?
Because the turmeric and the water was almost same.
Okay. No, water is not same. No, this one water I have taken
Yeah.
40 ml. This is 125 ml. But I have taken same amount of haldi powder. Then which one is dilute, which one is concentrated solution? What do you think? Redima.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Saisha?
I feel like this is concentration, this is dilute.
Yeah, but you have to explain me. Why you choose this is concentrated solution, this one is concentrated, this one is the dilute solution. Because here we have taken same amount of solid but different amount of liquid.
Yeah.
So here same amount of solid we are dissolving in 40 ml of water. Here same amount of solid we are dissolving in the 125 ml of water. So where the amount of water is more?
In 125.
In 125.
So amount of solute is same, amount of haldi is same, but amount of water is different. So here amount of water is more.
Yeah.
So that means it is dilute and this is concentrate.
So the amount of water.
So amount of, you have to consider that amount of solid should be, if you are keeping amount of solid constant, that you are not changing. Like suppose you are taking 1 gram of solid for both the cases, but you are changing the amount of water. So where you are adding more water, it will be a dilute solution.
Okay.
When you are adding less water, it will be a concentrated solution.
And when you are adding same amount of
then
water as same as solid?
Same concentration.
Same concentration.
So concentration means exact amount of solid dissolving in how much ml or how much liter of solvent. That is called the concentration. Okay. So is it nothing but a solution? Though you can see that haldi is not completely dissolved. Okay. It's not completely dissolved. Okay. But yeah, that this is the experiment just to give you a rough idea concept what is called a concentrated solution, what is called a dilution.
Hmm.
So concentration and dilution you can understand is a two opposite way things are moving.
Yeah.
Highly concentrated solution, this is a very concentrated solution, that means less dilution.
Hmm.
This is a less concentrated solution, that means it's a
The
diluted.
dilution.
Is it clear concentration and dilution concept?
Hmm.
ठीक है, okay, sure, thank you.